One of my favorite say is to love what you do, so you do your best. I mean, if you really love what you do every day, when you come to work, you're ready. You're gonna give maximum effort, and to me, that's all you can ask for a city employee. Give your maximum effort, and we know you're doing a good job. So. My name is Juan Larregui. I'm the maintenance manager for the City of Fayetteville Transit Department. I've been here for 28 years, so seen a lot of different things here in Fayette. Well, I started here like in the mid-90s. Came from the military, started as a mechanic back in '95. After that, became a senior tech, and a couple years afterward, became a supervisor. Currently, I'm the maintenance manager here at Fayette, and I'm kind of responsible not only for the vehicle fleet maintenance, but also the facility maintenance. Typical day for us, we are an operational department, so we actually operate 7 days a week. Basically, I start my day checking emails before I leave the house. We also have a group chat that we use with the supervisors and managers. And basically, we communicate any issues that take place between 4 o'clock in the morning until the time we report to work. So that's our start of the day. Once we do that, we kind of look at vehicle availability and personnel to make sure everybody is in place. And from then I report to work at 8 o'clock and start my day. Currently we have 8 technicians, and basically they start at 4 o'clock in the morning and they start all the buses and prepping vehicle for pull out. And that's going out the gate on schedule. We also have equipment operators. Those guys actually clean every single bus stop around town, and it's 662. So they not only clean the bus stop, but they also cut grass. So they do the upkeeping. We got maintenance personnel. They clean the facilities, meaning this maintenance facility, and also the new transit center. It's new to us, even though it's about 7 years old, but that's part of the job. We also have night shift personnel. They come in at 4 o'clock p.m. and basically they clean vehicles, they fuel vehicles, and they make sure the vehicle is ready for the next day operation. One of the things I do enjoy the most, it's like I tell people, we kind of working on the background, so we don't get to see the community, but whenever I go to the community and somebody approach me and say, man, I love that new bus, to me, that really brings joy to myself, because it let me know we're doing a good job selecting these vehicles, making sure the amenities on the vehicles and the technology is up to par. And to me, it's like seeing that appreciation of someone saying, I used to ride the bus in New York, I used to ride the bus in another state. These buses are clean and they look real nice. To me, that brings me joy. What people don't know about me, and basically they'd be surprised, I'm like a cigar aficionado. I love enjoying a good cigar. And that's something, I do sometime in the evenings, but definitely on the weekends. That's one of my passions, trying new cigars, see what else coming in the market. And in addition to that is traveling. I mean, every time you speak with someone around here, they always say, where you going next? I do like to travel abroad, and I meet a lot of places overseas, from the Middle East to South America, and actually Europe. So every time I do have the opportunity, I love to travel abroad.